Let's learn how to enable private browsing on Reddit. It's very simple, and we'll do it in just a few easy steps. If you want to find out how to do this, just stay until the end of the video. First, you need to make sure your Reddit app is updated. To do this, go to the App Store and click on the option in the bottom right corner. This is the search option. When it opens, type Reddit and the Reddit page will appear. If it says open next to it, it is updated. If it says update, click on it and wait a little. The first thing you need to do is open the Reddit app by clicking the Open button. When you open it, you should be on the home page. On this page, click on your profile in the top right corner. This will open a menu with several options. In that menu, click on your account name. This will open a menu with a few options. From all those options, you need to click on the one in the middle, which is anonymous browsing. When you click on that, a question will pop up asking if you want to do this. If you do, click the OK button. Once you click it, you have successfully enabled anonymous browsing. If you want to disable it, while you are on the home page, click on your profile. You will notice that your profile icon has changed because you are in anonymous browsing mode. When you click on your profile, a question will pop up asking if you want to exit anonymous browsing mode. If you want to exit that mode, click the green button Leave Anonymous Browsing. When you click that, you have successfully exited the mode. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.